The best way to make your money work for you is investing. But with a budget of $1,000, it may be hard to find investments with significant returns. Today, we'll be going over the best ways to invest $1,000 so that you can start your investing journey. Your time is valuable, so let's dive into it. Number 1, pay down debt. If you're trying to invest your money but have thousands in unpaid debts, you're moving in the wrong direction. High-interest consumer debt like credit cards are holding you back. So let's say you have $1,000 balance on your credit card with a 20% APR and only make a minimum payment of $25 each month. The balance will take you 67 months to pay off. You will lose $661 to interest. Or you could pay the whole balance off instead and not even worry about the interest charges at all. This approach may seem worse in the short term, but paying off your debt is the best possible investment that you can make for yourself. If you are free from debt and need a safe investment option, a high-yield savings account are your best choices. If you have your savings account or emergency fund sitting in a regular bank account, you may think that your money is safe. The harsh truth is, in reality, you're losing money. The interest rate on those accounts usually are less than 1%. The Federal Reserve's target inflation rate is 2%, and in recent years, it has been even higher than that. You are losing money every year. High-yield savings accounts are different. Many accounts offer APYs of 4 to 5%. This is the simplest and best way to make your money grow, so you can just leave it alone and it gains interest for you. Number 3, CDs. CDs are a great bet if you have money that you can go without for a while. This type of deposit account earns a fixed amount of interest for a specific amount of time on the funds that you deposit when you open the account. The long-term lengths typically range between 3 months and 5 years. With a traditional CD, you can't withdraw your money before that term ends. Otherwise, you'll generally have to pay an early withdrawal penalty. These are great bets for the short and long term and have virtually no risk. Number 4, retirement accounts. A lot of people don't think about retirement until it's too late. It's best to get a head start on your future sooner rather than later. If you have an employer-sponsored retirement account, such as a 401k or a 403b, check to see if your employer matches any contribution you make to your account. This free money is some of the easiest money you'll ever earn, so it makes sense to take advantage of it. Once you reach 59 and a half, you can withdraw this money tax-free. If you withdraw before you reach that age, you will be taxed on 10% of your money. Number 5, index funds. Index funds are easiest for people who want to invest and leave it alone. Instead of investing in individual stocks and losing money if one tanks, an index fund tracks the benchmark index like the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, or the NASDAQ. The money an investor contributes to the index fund is invested in all the companies that are within the index. This provides diversification and lower risk versus buying individual stocks. The funds that track the S&P 500 are the most popular because the S&P 500 represents 80% of the value of the U.S. stock market. The S&P 500 index funds offer growth in the long run and income via dividends. Warren Buffett endorses the S&P 500 index funds strongly.
Or buying the S&P 500 and holding it for 10 years, I'd buy the S&P in a second.
The best strategy for index funds is to buy and forget about it. Options trading. Options trading, also known as day trading, is risky, where you try to buy and sell a stock within a few hours, a very short time frame. This type of investing takes a lot of time to learn and a lot of technical skills and knowledge to make a profit. Although it appears like a quicker way to invest and earn from $1,000. Statistics show that only 1% of the day traders make a profit. If you see people online trying to sell you a course on day trading, that's because they make thousands of dollars a day by doing it, and they are most likely lying. But those are the best ways to invest your $1,000 today. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and check out some of our other videos.